Hey everybody, welcome to Cruise Chatter. Yo yo yo, Brooklyn and the house. And Carnival Pride is still in dry dock. What does it look when a ship is in dry dock? These new photos of Carnival Pride offer an inside view. New photos have been released of Carnival Pride's ongoing dry dock refurbishment and upgrade. The ship is looking fantastic as every inch of the vessel has been gone over, refreshed, and revitalized. What does it look like behind the scenes of this month-long dry dock? We're about to find out. Carnival Pride entered the dry dock at Navantia shipyard in Cadiz, Spain on April 28, 2023 for a month-long bow-to-stern refurbishment. While the most visible and highly anticipated improvements include the addition of 3 new popular venues, the Heroes Tribute Bar and Lounge, the Carnival Adventure Shop, and Dreams Photo Studio. Much more is going on while the ship is out of service. Newly released photos show the extent of the new upgrades and maintenance and include every window on the ship's iconic half-glass funnel being scrubbed to new brilliance, with the surrounding metal cleaned and repainted for most vibrant colors. Of particular interest is the complete exterior hull painting, which not only refreshes the ship colors, but is also adding the new red, white, and blue livery to the hull, a design details that first debuted on Magic Grass in 2021, and has been slowly added to every ship in the fleet as each vessel undergoes dry dock maintenance. Hull repainting is more than just an aesthetic detail. However, proper painting ensures the integrity of the hull by resisting corrosion and the growth of unwanted organisms such as algae and barnacles that could reduce fuel efficiency and introduce unwanted creatures into delicate marine environments. On the inside of the ship, team members are hard at work installing new flooring, extensive cleaning the vessel, and adding new decorative details wherever necessary. The ship lower level beauties nightclub space is also being renovated, removed, and several new staterooms added in that location, including one fully accessible cabin. The upper level of the nightclub remains intact. Furthermore, the popular steakhouse, David's, has been renovated to become Fahrenheit 555, in line with the familiar steakhouses aboard other fun ships. Less visible details are also being upgraded aboard the ship, including new electrical upgrades and other technical adjustments that will ensure Carnival Pride is functioning at peak efficiency and optimum safety when she sets sails again. Carnival Pride is scheduled to return to service with a one-way 12-night voyage from Barcelona to Dover, departing on May 28, 2023. Another 5 days. Along the way, the ship will show off her new look and extensive upgrades at port of call in Spain, Portugal, France, and Belgium. The revitalized ship will spend the summer's months offering a 9 and 12 night sailings from Dover, UK, visit amazing destinations in Norway, Sweden, Germany, Storia, Finland, and Denmark, depending on the cruise itinerary and sailing date. In September and October, Carnival Pride will offer a limited number of longer voyages from Rome to explore the Italian coast and Greek Isles, before repositioning back to the US with a 15-night repositioning sailing from Rome to Tampa that departs Italy on October 28, 2023. After arriving in the US, the refreshed Carnival Pride will home port from Tampa through early April 2024, offering Western Caribbean and select Panama Canal sailings. In the spring of 2024, the ship will once again reposition, its time to Baltimore for cruise to Bermuda, the Bahamas, and the Eastern Caribbean. Carnival Pride will first enter service for the cruise line in 2002, and has had numerous upgrades and renovations through her 21 years of service. The most recent major upgrade was in early 2015 when the ship received the 2.0 upgrade that included the addition of Geisberg's joint, the Blue Iguana Cantina, waterworks, and much more. let's see what we're looking for. And it looks like to me like 2025. I mean, yeah, 2025 will be. I know where I'm going with this. And for a new the the secret 3.0 Puss Cruise. More details to come. We'll keep you updated with that. So once I find out more stuff about the Carnival Pride, I will bring it to you. So enjoy. Hope you're following what's going on with the Pride, and we'll see you soon. Have a blessed day.